Exploring the universe of ideas, understanding orbit around an idea. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey to explore a very interesting phrase in the English language: orbit around an idea. This expression is rich in imagery and conveys a unique way of thinking and discussing concepts. Let's dive in and unravel its meaning, usage, and the insights it offers into creative thinking and problem solving. Our goal is to make you comfortable with using this phrase in your conversations and writings, enriching your English language skills. So, buckle up as we launch into this linguistic adventure. Orbit around an idea is a metaphorical expression that draws from the astronomical term, orbit, which refers to the path one celestial body takes around another, like the Earth orbiting the Sun. In the context of ideas, to orbit around an idea means to explore, think about, or discuss a concept from various perspectives without directly hitting on a specific solution or conclusion. It implies a process of careful consideration, analysis, and exploration of all facets of an idea. This phrase is particularly useful in creative discussions, brainstorming sessions, and situations where complex problem-solving is required. It encourages open-mindedness and a thorough examination of a topic. For example, when a team is trying to find an innovative solution to a problem, someone might suggest, "Let's orbit around this idea for a bit," meaning, let's explore it from all angles before landing on a decision. To solidify your understanding, let's look at some examples. 1. In a business meeting, we haven't quite cracked the problem yet. Let's orbit around the idea of using digital solutions to enhance our customer service, and see where that takes us. 2. In creative writing, I've been orbiting around the idea of a novel set in a world where gravity doesn't exist. It's fascinating to think about all the possibilities. 3. In academic discussions, this thesis is still in its early stages. I'm orbiting around the idea that ancient architecture was influenced by astronomical knowledge. Orbiting around an idea is a beautiful and useful expression that enriches our conversations and writings, providing a fresh perspective on how we approach problems and concepts. It's about exploration, patience, and the willingness to see things from different angles. We hope this video has illuminated this phrase for you and that you'll feel confident using it in your own discussions. Remember, every great discovery starts with the simple act of thinking differently. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic journey, and we look forward to exploring more exciting aspects of the English language together.